On today's body cam, we're checking out lady refuses to cooperate with police investigation. It ends terribly.
Officers responded to a call of suspected theft.
Hey, are you on the phone with dispatch right now? Okay. Okay.
She just confirmed at 10-4. She just walked into the cleaners, the orange cleaners. She's by herself.
What happened?
She's
Basically,
inside the orange cleaners right now.
she go get some food before school, and my phone fell in my pocket, and I went to go get it because I saw it, and she had it, and then she kept walking through it. I kept asking her where my phone was, and she wasn't trying to give it to me.
Okay, 1 second. Delta 5 9, I'm in contact with the other half.
She's down there. I just wanted my phone.
So where was your phone?
It was on the ground because it fell out of my pocket. And,
Okay.
and then I asked her my phone back, and she kept ignoring me.
Did you watch her pick up the phone?
She literally saw the phone, and she got it.
Okay, so you watched her grab the phone?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
This is a kid.
And she has her phone still?
I don't know. She picked up the phone. I don't know what she did with it after. And then she basically
What kind of phone is it?
It was an iPhone 12 black, and it had like a case, like a very strong case, when it has a stand on the back where I can lift on my phone.
Okay.
And
You know what? That's smart. Whoever this little kid parent is, it's smart. You know what I'm saying? These kids be having the latest iPhones, man. Look, you're a kid. I'm gonna get you something nice, but hey, it ain't gonna be the newest 17 model and all of that. Nah, we gonna start you off with the 12 because again, you a kid, you could break it. You know what I'm saying? Stuff happens, you lose it, whatever. All right. You know what I'm saying? iPhone 12, probably like 200, something like that. 300, maybe 300. It's better to take a loss on $300 phone versus nowadays these phones is like $1,200 and up with the newest iPhones.
How old are you?
I'm 13.
13, okay.
I chased her all the way through. I just wanted to go to school.
I got you. Okay.
Okay. You just went back. You don't want to press charges.
I just got that phone like 2 weeks ago.
Okay. What kind? Okay. Hold on a second. Hold on. What kind of phone?
Did you happen to see anything that happened?
No, I just seen him coming down the street. I'm a crossing guard. So I just seen him coming down the street, and I always see him. And then he was like, she got my phone, she got my phone. So I was like, I tried to stop her, like, and she was acting crazy. So me being me, I told her to knock her ass out and grab a book bag and get your phone out of there. That was me being me. And she wouldn't even made it this far.
Gotcha. Are you mom? Hey, how you doing?
Yeah, how are you?
Doing just fine. We're trying to sort out everything and get all the information. What he's telling us is that he was on a scooter, his phone had fell out of his pocket, and then the lady had grabbed his phone, and he tried confronting her to get her phone back. Not by talking, like touching her, or anything like that, but basically telling her, hey, I need my phone, get my phone back, do you have my phone? And she ended up running and going in a different direction, so.
Hold on, I have his location on the side. Amelia and Paramore, so
Amelia and Paramore?
that's back towards the school.
Okay.
That's where it's pinging at right now.
Oh, is that her?
Foxtrot 24, what's the description of the female? I have one walking away. I see the description. Come here now, you're gonna get tased. With a blue scarf?
Oh yeah.
Get on the ground now. You're gonna get tased. Get on the ground. Get on the...
Who the hell is this?
Stop! Get on the ground now. Does the Bravo Fox have a blue scarf?
I don't steal any phone.
Was she talking?
I don't steal any phone. Check.
Get on the ground now.
No, because I don't.
Get on the ground.
No, I don't steal any phone.
She's inside the orange cleaners right
Get on the ground.
I don't steal any phone. I don't steal any phone. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Now. Don't steal any phone.
Get her together.
I don't steal any phone. Get on the ground. I don't steal any phone. Get on the ground. I don't steal any phone. Get on the ground. I don't steal. Put your hands behind your back. I don't steal any phone.
Hold on. Get her arm. Stop. Hold on. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Hold on. Work her hands.
I got this one.
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay.
I got it.
Wow.
The lady talking about, I didn't steal no phone. They didn't even say anything about a phone yet. They didn't even get to that point. So that's how you know you guilty.
Okay.
Headquarters, you got one.
You okay? Of course I'm okay. Someone accused me. I steal a phone and I don't steal any phone.
Alright, that's cool. When the police tell you to stop, you stop, though. Hey, regular.
I don't steal any phone. Can I take my phone?
No, let's go.
I have the... Wow.
What's your name?
I work over there. You can
That's not what I asked you. I asked you what your name was.
You know,
That's not what I asked you again. I asked you what your name
Could you
was.
give me my phone?
I asked you what your name
Could
was.
you give me my bag?
Ma'am, birthday.
I need a lawyer.
You know, if you don't identify yourself, there's another charge.
I need a lawyer.
So you already got the one for resisting in there.
I
You
need
want
a lawyer.
another
I
resisting
need a
charge?
lawyer. I need a lawyer. I'm not going to say nothing without a lawyer.
So talk to me, man. How did we get to this point? Where'd you get the phone?
He brought the phone. Some lady I fitted up and gave it to our friend. Our friend, I gave it us.
Okay. What's your friend's name that got the phone?
Zach.
Zach? He ended up getting the phone from an older lady, and then he gave that phone to y'all?
Yeah.
What did he say to y'all?
He didn't say it. He gave it to him. He gave it to me.
Okay.
He was like, Brandon was going to eat my good, so he dropped the phone and later had it. I was like, let me see. And then I was like, yeah, this is phone because I just texted my order when I got ordered this phone.
I got you. So I guess it fell out of his pocket while he was on a scooter. And so lady found it, gave it to their friend, Zachary then gave the phone to him after he confirmed that, yeah, it belonged to his buddy. So how did he know to give the phone to you? How did he know to give the phone to you?
I just said, let me see it, because I was going to take it to him. I was just going to walk up there.
But how'd you know it was his phone?
Because I had looked at the message and I just texted him.
Can you show me 10 I'll be at 97.
So what is that? So the thing is, what did Zachary say to you about the phone? He just said, "Oh, I found the phone."
He said, an old lady gave him the phone.
Okay. All right. The old lady gave him the phone, and then from that point on, he saw the phone and recognized the phone to be his buddy's because of the message that he sent him. And so the guy just dropped his phone. He dropped his phone and she picked it up. So I don't know how she's related to the whole thing. That's what they're trying to figure out. Really, some older lady had handed it to this kid named Zachary, one of their friends. And so he told these group of kids about the phone that was given to him. And so one of them looked and said, hey, let me look at it. And he looked at it and he saw one of the messages that he had sent our victim. He said, oh yeah, that's what's his name's phone, which is our victim.
I'm on the phone with Bo right now.
I just want to give you a heads up. Like, we were investigating a crime, right? So when the police tell you stop, you should stop, then you could have gave your side of the story of, I didn't steal his phone, I gave his phone to somebody, and then now we have your side of the story. But instead, you decided to run from the officer. So I don't know if you knew that we're like the local.
Yeah, because she wasn't even gonna. If that's the case, she just picked it up and gave it to the friend, you know, and he was gonna get his phone back, you know. But I don't know. I think she kind of picked it up, held on to it, and it became a big deal. And then maybe at the last minute, she handed it off to the friend or something like that. But if nobody would have said anything or peeped what was going on, she would have kept the phone, because even the crossing guard, everybody seen her, so she would have kept the phone.
Police, and we were trying to do anything, like we were just trying to investigate a crime. But in the future, you would not be going to jail had you just stopped and talked to us and gave us your side of the story, okay? But because you ran from her and you resisted her to investigate this crime, you're now going to jail for resisting, all right? So that's going to be what your... Mike, was that the only charge, is the resisting? So now you're just going to jail for the resisting charge, all right? Because we figured out that the theft of the phone was not actually a theft. So had you just stayed and not ran from us and resisted her and trying to detain you to talk to you, you wouldn't be going to jail right now.
Can I say something?
Sure.
I didn't run. I just told her I'm going to arrive at the board. That's it. But I didn't run.
Okay. But you walked really fast in there, and she said, "Stop, police."
Okay. This is my style walk. I don't walk fast because I saw her. It's because you can check all the time. I walk very fast.
Who cares? You seen the police, you heard the police, and you still decided to walk and keep walking. And then especially you opened the door and you ran inside. Like,
okay. My style walk. I just let her because I don't know what happened. I just let her. I'm going to arrive over there, and that's it. But I didn't run.
Okay.
And this is my.
Well, what happened? Okay. All right. She said she walked really fast into the store, but I don't know what happened inside the store.
She's from Venezuela.
No, she didn't want to talk. She just said, "Can I tell you something?" And I said, "Yes, you can tell me something."
Okay. I'm born in Haiti. I left Venezuela. I arrived at Venezuela at 3 years old, and,
okay.
I'm 44. Okay.
Okay.
Yo, that's not, now I could see it, because in the beginning, when she started talking, I'm like, damn, is she Haitian? But then towards the end of their like interaction, like when she was laying on the ground and stuff like that, I'm like, damn, she sounds Spanish. Like it was so, I'm like going through it, and I'm like, yo, in the very beginning she sound Haitian, and then she kind of switched it up, and it, like the way she say certain words is like she sound Hispanic. I'm like, damn. So now that makes sense. She born in Haiti but grew up in Venezuela. Now that makes sense.
It's for this reason I feel Latina, because I grew up in Venezuela.
Okay. Thank you.
And I have only Venezuelan nationality. I don't have Asian nationality.
Okay, that's fine. I mean, your nationality really has nothing to do with why you're in the backseat right now.
Okay.
Like, it literally has everything to do with the fact that when she says stop police to be able to talk to you, you did not stop, you just kept on going.
Another thing, can I have a lawyer, please?
Yes, you can. That's why I'm not asking you any specific questions about what happened, okay? So you have the right to a lawyer, and that's why they said we're not going to ask you any questions. I was just explaining why you were going to jail, and then you voluntarily told me what you wanted to. But yes, you can have your lawyer, and I didn't ask you any specific questions, okay?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
The woman was charged with resisting arrest and taken to jail. Thanks for watching.